In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. Before we begin, make sure your internet connection is stable, your Wise app is updated, and you have the correct GCash details of the person you're sending money to. It also helps if the recipient's GCash account is fully verified, since unverified accounts can hit limits or fail to receive transfers. Open the Wise app on your mobile device. From there, go to the Home tab so you're on the main dashboard. Tap Send to start a new transfer. Wise will ask you to select a location. Choose the country where the e-wallet is registered. For GCash, that's the Philippines. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. You can usually switch between the currency you're sending and the currency your recipient will receive. Wise will show you the current exchange rate and fees so you know exactly what they'll get. Now tap Add Recipient. If the app shows another Add Recipient button on the next screen, tap it again to create a new recipient profile. When you're asked what type of account you're sending to, choose e-wallet. Then select someone else so the transfer goes to another person rather than one of your own accounts. Enter the recipient's email. This is used for receipts and notifications. After that, enter the recipient's full name. It's important that the name matches the name registered on their GCash account to avoid delays or failed transfers. Next, select the wallet provider and choose GCash from the list. Enter the e-wallet number associated with their GCash account. This should be the mobile number registered with GCash, including the correct country code and formatted exactly as required by Wise. Then enter the city where the recipient is registered or resides. Keeping these details consistent with their GCash profile helps prevent verification issues. Before moving on, take a moment to review the information you've entered. Small mistakes in the name, e-wallet number, or location can cause the transfer to fail or be returned. Check the amount, fees, and delivery estimate so you're comfortable with the transfer details. If your Wise app prompts you for additional verification or authentication, follow the on-screen instructions. When everything looks correct, click Continue. Wise will process the transfer, and you'll be able to track its progress right in the app. In many cases, funds arrive quickly, but timing can vary based on bank hours, verification, and network conditions. If anything seems off, you can consult the Wise Help Center or GCash support for guidance, and that's how you transfer money from Wise to GCash with confidence and accuracy.